Every December, something extraordinary happens in the southeast Nigeria. Quiet villages that slept for months suddenly wake up. Dusty rural roads begin to shake under the weight of convoys. Luxury SUVs roll past mud houses and ancient trees. Private jets touch down in nearby cities. Helicopters hover briefly before disappearing into farmlands. And in places that many outsiders once dismissed as poor or underdeveloped, Christmas becomes a season of spectacle. But this is not just celebration. This is not noise. This is not waste. This is Igbo Christmas, a season of opulence, a season of philanthropy, and most importantly, a season of nation building. Whilst the rest of Nigeria speaks of Dirty December as parties, clubs, and nightlife, in Igboland, December means something deeper. It means coming home. It means bringing wealth back. It means investing where it matters most. This documentary explores what truly happens every December in Southeast Nigeria. The wealth, the giving, the rebuilding, and the silent development model that continues to shape an entire people. In Lagos, Dirty December is loud. Nightclubs, beach parties, concerts, traffic until dawn. But in Igboland, December follows a different rhythm. Here, December is not about escape. It is about return. Among the Igbo, there is an old philosophy, Akurolo. Wealth must reach home. For many Igbo men and women, success is incomplete until it is physically felt in their hometown. This is why Christmas matters, not Easter, not New Year, Christmas. It is the one period when families agree, consciously or unconsciously, that home must be visited. Markets slow down in Onitsha, Aba, Nnewi, Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Abuja. Businesses close temporarily. Diaspora schedules flights months in advance, because in December, Igbo people do not travel for leisure, they travel for responsibility. By mid-December, the movement begins. From Europe, from North America, from Asia, from every Nigerian city, the airport in Enugu, Owerri, Asaba, and even Port Harcourt begins to feel it. Not tourists, not expatriates. These are sons and daughters returning with purpose. Cars are transported ahead. Houses are renovated weeks before. Generators are serviced. Villages prepare. Because December is when people will see, and in Igboland, visibility matters, not for pride alone, but for accountability. Opulence in Igboland is seasonal, but deliberate. New mansions are often unveiled in December. Same houses remain unfurnished all year, waiting for this moment. Because Christmas is when fathers, mothers, uncles, and town elders return. It is when success is inspected. Convoys move slowly through narrow village roads, not to intimidate, but to announce presence. Clothes are tailored specifically for December. Traditional attires, red caps, George wrappers, beads. This is not fashion for Instagram. This is identity. In Igboland, wealth is not hidden. It is shared visually so that young people can see possibility and elders can see fulfillment. December, transform rural economies. Tailors work overnight. Caterers are booked weeks ahead. Transport fares double. And still, buses full. Bricklayers, electricians, welders, carpenters all return home because work is guaranteed. In many villages, December earnings exceed the rest of the year combined. This is not theory. This is reality. Money flows directly, not through banks, not through grants, but hand to hand. It is grassroots capitalism at its most powerful peak. Perhaps the most misunderstood part of Igbo December is giving. There are no press conferences, no billboards, no NGOs with foreign branding. Giving is personal. Medical outreaches are organized quietly. School fees are paid anonymously. Widows receive envelopes after church. Youth groups receive startup funds. During town unions, meetings, individuals stand up and announce donations, not to boast, but because transparency matters. In Igboland, philanthropy is not charity, it is duty. Town unions are the backbone of Igbo Nation Building. They are not social clubs, they are development councils. During December meetings, roads are planned, levies are agreed, projects are funded, transformers are donated, classrooms are renovated, security outfits are equipped, all without waiting for government approval. This is why many Igbo villages have better internal roads than entire local government areas elsewhere. December is a cultural preservation. Traditional titles are taken, masquerades return, weddings happen back to back, burials are celebrated, not mourned, because death, like life, is communal. These ceremonies reinforce hierarchy, responsibility, and belonging. They remind the next generation that wealth without roots is empty. Why is this story rarely told? Because Igbo wealth is decentralized. It has no single headquarters, no oil well to point to. It is spread house to house, village by village. It is quiet outside December, but permanent. Christmas in Igboland is not excess. It is investment. It is redistribution. It is nation building without a flag. Every December, Igboland rebuilds itself quietly, effectively, and relentlessly. If you want to understand the Igbo people, do not look at stereotypes. Watch December. If you enjoyed this documentary, like, subscribe, and share, because stories like this are rarely told and even more rarely understood.